Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, dear students. Assalamu alaikum. I am Manzur Abbasi, mathematics teacher, Pakistan International School, Dhaka. Dear students, today we have to start the lecture number 46, and 46th lecture is about the chapter number 13. And in 13th chapter, we have a few informations that we have to learn it anyhow. Now listen, information handling. In your book, in the way start, few definitions are written, but for your kind information, I have to explain. Information handling is the branch of statistics. It is branch of statistics. Statistics. It's the branch of statistics which deals with the collection, analysis, explanation and presentation. Which deals with collection, analysis, explanation and presentation. Now dear students, in presentation we have some data that deals with collection. Number one topic, collection, analysis, means how we have to distribute the data, explanation and presentation of data. Presentation of data. This is the presentation of data. Dear students, here we have the two types of the data. Number one, data. What does it mean by the data? Data means it is a set of information and facts. Set of information, it is set of information and facts. Dear students, which is represented in the form of a figure. Now, data. There are two types of data. There are two types of data. Dear students, here we have the two types of data. Number one, ungrouped data, and second, that is the grouped data. Now let us learn about the ungrouped data. First type, ungrouped data. Dear students, in this type of data, we get the information of individuals. We get the information of individual. Means we don't have any further columns. We have only two columns, and where we have information about individuals. It provides information. It provides information about individuals. Information about individuals. Dear students, let us, we have one example. Suppose I have for example, here, we are given in this column, we are given here like this. Two columns are there. Just see one. And first, we are given the players. Number of players. Now here we have a score. Here we have a score. Now for player number 1, for player number 2, for player number 3, for player number 4, for player number 5, for player number 6, 7 and maybe 8 and 9. Suppose player number 1, he made 46 runs. He made 13 runs. He made 20 runs. He made 6 runs. He made 8 runs. He made 10 runs. He made 11 and he made 14 runs. Suppose this type of information. This type of information that we are given in this table. That is here. How many players we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 players we have. We have 8 players. Now, how many runs made by player 1? How many runs made by player 2? 13. How many runs made by the player 3? 20. How many runs made by player 4? 6. And player 5, player 6, player 7 and so on. This type of information we say ungrouped information, ungrouped data. It provides information about individuals. Now, dear students, in second type, we have a grouped data. We have a grouped data. Now, in this type of information, we get data. This data provides the information just in a detail. This data is got information in a very authentic detail that we can say that in your book also these few definitions are also written, and we can say this about the growth. This data it provides information about growth. Now, what type of the pattern? For example, I have an example here. In the example we are given, similarly, suppose we are given the group here. I have a table like this. Dear students, in first I say group. Second, I have a score. After that, I have a number of players. Number of players. Dear students, suppose in group number 1 to 10, 11, from 11 to 20, from 21 to 30, from 31 to 40, like such. Suppose in a group number 1, this group made the score 9. How many players made the score 9? Only one player. Now 11 to 20. A score was made 15 and 18. How many players made the score? 15 and 18. 2 players. Now from the 21 to 30, the score was made 23, 27. How many players made the score 23 and 27? Similarly, 2 players. Dear students, in the last group 31 to 40, these are the just number of the groups. First group, how many players? 1 to 10. How many players? 11 to 20. How many players? Here in group. First group starts from 1 to 10. Second 11 to 20. Third 21 31 to 40. These are the groups, and group 1 made 9. How many players? 1. Group 2 made 15 and 18. How many players? 2. Group 3, how many runs are scored made? 23, 27. How many players were there? 2. Similarly, in the last period, I have just here 32, then 30, then 15, and maybe there is a 14. Now, in last row, I say how many players participate? 5 players. Now, dear students, in this topic we did discuss about the information handling. It is the branch of statistics that deals with information, explanation, analysis, and presentation. Now, after that we have a certain type of information. The information obtained, that is called data. The information about the facts, the information about the facts or set of information and fact, we can say it is the data. Now, how many types of the data? Classification of the data is made in 2 groups. Number 1, ungrouped, where we get individual data like this. Grouped, we get the data, we get the information about the group. Here is the group, here is the information, here is the number of players. This type of table where we get the information about the group, we can say it is the group data. Now, dear students, we have exercise 13.1. Only we have to take mark, only we have to identify which data is grouped and which data is ungrouped. So dear students, here you have to identify the data in 13.1. In 13.1. Dear students, first of all, we got to know what does mean by the information handling. Information handling provides the information about the collection, analysis, presentation, and explanation. Now, dear students, in exercise 13.1, exercise 13.1, we must note that which of the following, which table is solved showing the group data. Dear students, question 1, which table is showing group data? We have only explained the group data, but definitely remaining will be ungrouped. First one, it is the ungrouped data. You can analyze from the table because here is the individual data. Question number 2, as well as 3, and question number 2, 3, and 6, 7. 6, 7 are grouped data. Grouped data. And question number 6, 7. Question number 2, 3, 6, and 7 are grouped data, while the question number 1, question number 4, and question number 5, you can see that they are in the day distance. Player score. And first, sum number 1, student marks. Marks about individual. Student 1, student 2, student 3, up to 12. Now this is the ungrouped data. And second, we have group sale of twice number of days. Now there's the information about the group. So 2 number, 3 number and 6, 7 number is the grouped data. While question number 1, 4, 5 is the ungrouped data. Only this thing we have to explain here. Dear students, now we have the exercise 13.2. In 13.2, dear students, I have a question that I want to explain. In question number, now in this topic we will speak about the graph. Now what is the graph? It is explained at page number 152 that a group we discuss here. Now we have a graph. In graph in which data is represented by the number of rectangular bar. Where data is represented by number of rectangular bar. Number of rectangular bars. Now here we have the 2 types of the bar graphs. Now in graph we have a bar graph. Here now we can say this is the bar graph. I explain the bar graph. Graph is the comparison between number and quantity. Now there is another topic, bar graph. Bar graph is representation of number of the rectangular bar. Number of rectangular bar. Like this, suppose if I have x, y, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Here's the, just I can say, here's the, suppose February, March, and then April. Here are the 3 months. Now 1, 2, 3, and here's the y-axis. Here's the y-axis. Now a person who earned 1,000 rupees in February, I will say like this, like this. Like this. Same person 2,000 earns in March. So I will draw the rectangular bar like this. In first month he earns 1,000. In second he earns 2,000. Now in third he earns maybe 4,000. Okay, I will draw the bar from here, straight and then there. I have to draw the bar. Dear students, these all informations we have represented by the bar graph. This is x-axis. Now here 4,000. And you can also make the different colors for this. Now this information that I call vertical bar graph. This is called the vertical, first type, vertical bar graph. There is same way I am going to explain. This is the first type. Vertical bar graph means you have to make the rectangles on here on the x-axis, and they are showing the information here. Amount will be on the y-axis. If the amount is on the y-axis, then vertical bars will be like February, like March, like April. It will be like this way. Now, second, I have a horizontal bar graph. Horizontal bar graph. Now let us see. I will similarly draw the same information here. But before that, you have to take the scale. You have to take the scale. Suppose if I say here 10 small boxes equal to 1 month, and then 2 small boxes equal to 1,000. Here I say okay 1,000. If I make here 10,000 here, 20,000 here, 40,000, no problem. Now similarly, I write here the scale. I will say similarly, this will be changed on y. On x-axis, if I say on x-axis, I will write these things. 2 small boxes equal to 1,000. Then 10,000 will be 5 boxes, 20 will be 10 boxes, and in this way 40 will be 10 plus 20 boxes. Similarly here, dear students, on y-axis, I am on the y-axis. Here I write 10 small boxes are equal to 1 month. They are equal to 1 month. Similarly here 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2 and 3. Here I have the 10,000. Here I have the 20,000. Here I have the 40,000. So here I have the, in this, here I have the first month February, and second February, March, and then April. I will draw the boxes from here. First I have to draw 10,000 like this. 10,000. Then 20,000 from here. I have to move here. Then this is the chin. I am doing the horizontal vertical. And after that I have 40,000. I can draw 40,000 from here up to here. I have a dot. Then make the rectangle like this way. Like this way. Here y-axis. Here x-axis. So again I explain. Dear students, first of all, this is the vertical bar graph where we have an amount, quantity we have on the y-axis, and number of days are month or years, they are on the x-axis, and like such they are vertical. I have to show the information by the vertical rectangles. And here I have to show the information, quantity, lies on the x-axis, and number of days or month or years are on the y-axis. Same thing we have to take. No change in this scale. I have to take by the display. So dear students, first scale, then draw the graph. Then first scale, then draw the. And for this, you need this graph paper, very important. And graph paper will be made by the pencil, and different colors you can also use them. Now dear students, in 13.2, I am going to start the 13.2. First of all, we have the very important sums. I do the part number 1 in 13.2. We are discussing about the vertical bar graph where quantity exists on the x-axis and number of days or months exists on the y-axis. And before that, don't forget to take the scale. We will take the scale according to the given graph paper or information that we are given here. Dear students, first of all, it's very, very important that today we have discussed about the question number. Here, exercise 13.2. 13.2. Dear students, I am given here number 1. Draw vertical and horizontal bar. Horizontal bar graphs. Dear students, see here. I have a data like this. I have a data that I am given here. March, then April, then May, March. Sorry, the first month is the January. January. I have to start the given information as it is mentioned in the book. First of all, January, then February, then March, then April, and after that we have a May. Dear students, we have here profit. This is the month, and here is the profit. Profit in rupees, RS. I will draw here in first 12,000. In January, in February we have the 23,000 profit. In March we have the 18,000 profit, and here in April we have the 26,000 profit, and after that we have the 20,000 profit. Now let us decide. First of all, we have to decide before going to start a sum. We have to take a sum scale. I will take the scale along x-axis. Distance here are the in small boxes we know. Small boxes. I am speaking about small squares. Along x-axis here. On the x-axis I will fill 10 small boxes or squares equal to 1 month. Number 1. Suppose if I have here discussing the vertical bar graph. I am discussing vertical bar graph. These students I will say like this. Okay, they like this. Now, this is the x-axis, and this is the y-axis. Let's see how many months I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now consider here are the 10 boxes. In January, 10 boxes. In February, 10 boxes. In April, 10 boxes. January, February, March, April. Right here, March, then April, then May. Now this column shows the here individual months here. January, February, March, April, May. Now, how many boxes are in 1 month? I told you 10 boxes. Okay, let us see. Along y-axis, I will say 2 small boxes. 2 small boxes are equal to rupees 1,000. Means how many boxes are here? 12 boxes. How many boxes are there? Here 2 small boxes is equal to 1,000. You will compare. Maximum how many? Maximum I think 26 boxes. 26 means 46 boxes. How many boxes? We need here 26 multiply by 2 boxes, it will come 52. So you need the 60 boxes. 60 boxes you need here means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes you have to draw the line here up to the 6 boxes. Number 1, I'll say here 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and here is 6. Now dear students, I see that here, first of all, I think that here if I write, I will count the here. From down I will count the, suppose I have here 12,000. Then how many? Then I have after 12, here I think that if you take the here 10 boxes, start from the here, I will start 10 boxes, means 10 multiply here. Here I need the 10 boxes. In one we have the 10 boxes. So in 10 boxes we have here 10 means 5,000. Here I have 5,000, right? And then 10,000, then 15,000, okay, then 20,000, then 25,000, like this. This is the 15, this is the 10, this is the 5. Now you have the 10 boxes in one. Okay, 10 boxes divided by 2 means 5,000. So here you will get the 5,000, and first of all here is the month, and here is the profit in rupees. Profit in rupees. So dear students, now similarly I have to write here 5,000, 12,000 will be here. Where will be the 12,000? I have to write the 12,000 like this. 12,000 will be here. So in generally I will write there like this box. You can have a different color. This is the 20,000. In general. After the 23,000, 23 will be here. I have a bit above from the 20. And then make the straight up to here, up to here. So you will draw like this line. Okay, and then this one, make this one straight, and then come down. So I will shape it. Oh, it's the 23,000 in the month of February he got the profit. And similarly, I have here, now this is January, and in February he got the 23. Now in March 18,000 means a bit below than the 20. Now you will take the scale up to here. Keep the scale here, and then you come straight down. Here, yes, come like this. Now this is the 18,000 profit in the month of March. Now how many? 26,000. Oh, the 26, 25 are bit above from the 20. You think there is the 30,000. Okay, bit above from here. You will come here. Okay, now down, now like this, now this. Okay, dear students, this is the 26,000. Okay. Now after that, I have my 2,000 exactly. I will move, keep the scale here and go like this here, up to here, up to here. And then, and the center follow the line. In the center, follow the line. Now dear students, this is the vertical border that I did here. Vertical bar graph. Now what is the first important thing that you learned here? First important thing that you learned here, that you have to do the scale. First you take the scale. After taking a scale, then we will move to draw the xy axis and mark on the xy axis month, and on the y axis you have to mark that. Here at the side you can draw. But if I am going to draw here second type horizontal bar graph. Horizontal bar graph. Dear students, you will see similarly along x-axis. Now in along x-axis we have a quantity. Here we have an amount, profit. So similarly, small 10 boxes equal to, two small boxes equal to 1,000. Right? Now, small 10 boxes are equal to 1 month. This is along y-axis. And this is the x-axis. Now let us draw. Now I will draw first of all here line xy line. I will draw the line xy here. Now you know that here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the January. This is February. This is March. This is April. This is May. Now here I write here first of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can also take that here first. Further, you can move it. This is the x-axis, and this is the y-axis. Now here I have a 1,000. 10, here I have a 10,000, then I have a, same thing, 5,000, 5,000, here 5,000, here 10,000, here 15,000, here 20,000, here 25,000, and after that here the 30,000. Right? Now dear students, first of all, I have to draw the January. What the January we have the profit up to the 12, means up to here. I will draw directly from here. This box. You will draw with the scale. You will draw with the scale. Okay? Now 12,000. Up to here. After that, I have 23,000. 23,000 is 20, 21, 22, 23, up to here. You will move up to here, up. And for the February, directly up to this line. This is the another rectangle. You will draw with the scale. Now, this is the 23,000 profit in the month of February. Similarly, I have 18,000. 18 means before the 20 here. 20 before the 20 means up to here. Here first dot. Then this is the March. In March we have the 18,000. Okay. Similarly, I have just line to here. I'm just having a rough line, but you have to draw with the scale, dear students. Okay. After that, we have 23,000 here. Now we have an upgrade 26,000. It's a bit above from the 25. This is the 25, bit above from the 25, just here. Okay, here. Now in upgrade, I'm just moving forward. Here. This is the 26,000 profit. Dear students, 26,000. This is 26,000. Now in my we have the 20,000. Move from here up to here. 20. But put the scale and have just, if you have the scale, you can put the scale here, and from the 20 you will move to the here directly. I have the dot here, 20 degrees, and then I will move the for my I will move for the 20,000 here, and then I have to shade it. Dear students, its name is horizontal vertical bar graph. Now, first of all, let us learn that how many types of the bar graph are there. There are two types of the bar graph. One is the horizontal and second is the vertical. In horizontal, I did this thing that small two boxes equal 1,000, and then 5,000 have 10 boxes, then 20 boxes, then 30 boxes, then 40 boxes up to here. And I got the more, right? You will count the boxes here. Two boxes on the x-axis will be equal to how many? Two boxes on the x-axis will be equal to 1,000. Then 10 boxes will be equal to 5,000. And then 10,000, then 15, then 20, then 25, then here 30,000. Similarly, 10 small boxes on the y-axis will be equal to 1 month. January, February, March, April, here. January, February, March, April, and May. 5 months, 5 days. Quantity is on the x-axis, on the profit is on the x-axis. You can write here month, and here you have tried the profit. What the profit we have? That we have tried profit in rupees on the x-axis. Similarly, here is the vertical bar graph, and you have to write the month on the x-axis and quantity on the y-axis. Same procedure. Two boxes on the y-axis equal to 1,000. 10 boxes 5, then 10, then 15, then 20, then 25, then 30. We need up to that here 26 maximum. We have the profit 26,000. But I have written here 30,000. Less than 30 we have to draw the vertical rectangles. Okay? Dear students, this is the whole topic that I discussed. Inshallah, you will understand. And second sum is homework for you. And but in lecture number, coming lecture number 2, inshallah, we will discuss about the question number 2, 3, and rest of the part. Same exercise. Okay? Inshallah, hope you will do practice. And there's no only this is the part number 1, and part number 2 is the homework for you. Part number 2 is the homework for you. I hope you will do. Inshallah, we will meet again in our coming lecture. 47.